A warm welcome to AISSMS Institute of Information Technology. I'm Mr. Shashikant R. Kale, working as Assistant Professor in Department of Instrumentation Engineering. In this video, we are going to discuss on specification sheets. Specification sheet is one of the important document for the project engineering and management, and this is being used most of the time for the procurement reason. For the procurement, first document we are preparing is the instrument index sheet, and second document to be prepared as specification sheets. There are two types of specification sheets. One is selling oriented specification sheet and another is requirement oriented specification sheet. A selling oriented specification sheets people most commonly can see the industries are preparing the specification sheets of the instruments which they are selling in the market. So various parameters are mentioned in the specification sheet. And requirement oriented specification sheets are those where a chemical engineer or the instrumentation engineer or sometimes a team of this chemical and instrumentation engineers are preparing uh, as per the requirement which instruments we need to have. The specifications are mentioned into it. Specifications supposed to be mentioned in such a way that if we purchase the instrument that should fulfill specifications, complete specifications, and if it is fulfilling complete specification, it should compulsory be a suitable instrument for the plant or the project we are executing. So how the specification sheets are looking like. One specification sheet we have referred from the Siemens, it is a pressure transmitter. We can see clearly here what is mentioned in the specification sheet. Various ranges, operating ranges, maximum spans, maximum operating pressure, test pressures, everything is mentioned in the specification sheet. Not only this, multiple other parameters where it could be operated, what is temperature means, what is temperature environment or the other environments are required. Almost every parameter is mentioned into it. So this is the continuation of the same specification sheet. One can understand how detailed specification sheets are these. So this is a brief description or understanding of the specification sheets used in the industries. One more thing I supposed to clarify here, that if you are having a specification sheet, a specification sheet is a document generally used for a instrument, and if we are executing a project, the number of instruments are there. So for uh, engineering or project engineering or its management, we need to have a multiple specification sheets available with it, right? So if number of IOs, so number of instruments, that many number of instruments and that many specification sheets supposed to be prepared. It is not a single document for a plant. There are the multiple documents for a plant. It is not a single document like PNID for one PNID for one plant. So there are the multiple specification sheets for a plant. Thank you for listening patiently.